Crescent kick in martial art. How to apply crescent kick. Now I'll explain how to do. You can take half round in. Now you can see my leg and my shoe. You can see my leg. This area is very important for the kick. When you are training without opponent, you can take full round like this. Now I'll show go stance, look at opponents, and you can take full round without opponent. Now you can see little video in here. You are practicing time. You can help your friend carefully. Now you should take your body power. Without body power, you can't apply powerful kick. Now you can see, then it becomes a complete kick. When you are practicing crescent kick, you can use together leg like this, right and left. You are applying this kick, your leg 360 degrees turn like this. Warning for your ankle and knee joint. You are applying crescent kick for your opponent. Practice with safety jacket carefully.